Hey, I'm Dave Wulak, and today we're checking out the Roku Indoor Camera Wired Edition. A couple years ago, Roku introduced this big boy over here, the Roku Indoor Camera SE Wired Edition. So make sure that you're paying attention to whether or not you're going to pick up the SE or the regular one. The differences between the two, just off the bat, is this one's about $10 more on Amazon, and so this one's like $19.99 at the moment with a sale going on. So other than that, though, you got Wi-Fi 5 over here, Wi-Fi 6, but they're both 1080p. They're actually made by totally different companies, why they kind of look similar but different at the same time. So this one's by Wise, and then Lee Darson. If you don't know who they are, apparently they make like IKEA smart home gear. So looking at the boxes themselves, let's just do a quick comparison. Ooh, USB-C charging cable. What's this one got? Not that. I think it's micro USB. I have to double check, but it's just a USB over there. So anyway, you get a indoor camera power adapter, USB-C, mounting kit, and mounting plate. And what you'll need is the Roku Smart Home mobile app, as well as the Wi-Fi connection, 2.4 gigahertz on both of them. Both of them also work with Alexa and Google Home. So the new one has WDR that brightens dark areas, improved range with that Wi-Fi 6, motion, sound alerts, as well as cloud storage, pet detection, enhanced two-way audio, 1080p video, and color night vision. Very similar to what we got on over here of 1080p. There's just not that, I don't know what that WDR exactly means. That's the big difference from what I can tell. I like even the back makes a lot more sense. It shows you she's using this mobile app, and this is what it kind of looks like with your camera feed on your phone. This one is, you can check from the mountain range, which I don't think they'll have cellular data over there, but that's fine. Even at the very top, it does say Roku Smart Home, letting you know it's slightly different than just your typical Roku. So let's go ahead and open up, see what's inside. All right, so here it is. We've got our quick start guide, our little power adapter, and then we've got the wall mount, and these are the screws and anchor if we want to put it in the wall. And there is a USB-C cord and the camera itself. So let's just transform it a little bit here. Okay, all right, I see what you're doing there. So you got, what, like an inch or so here of height. Nice loud speaker there. There is our USB-C. Plug it on in, point it up. Hey, that's pretty good. To the left and to the right. I like that. Nice movement there. This is the older SE model, and let's go ahead, pop it on out. There we go. A little stiff, but it does work. About the same height, but being fully erect, it wobbles all over the place. You kind of have to lean it back, at least on this surface. And you don't have the left and right movement, so you have to rotate it fully around. You even notice that this power cord sticks on out, and then this is going to be where you plug in your micro USB cable into it. So, I mean, if this gets damaged, you're kind of screwed. You can't remove it, from what I can tell at least. Versus back here, plug any USB-C cable into it, you're good to go. Plus again, any direction, it's stable. Nice. Well, except for back there, it leans back. Let's go ahead and add the camera by adding a device after you click on the plus. Cameras and doorbells, indoor cameras. We have one leg. Make sure that we have our Bluetooth activated. Okay to proceed. Camera found. Proceed. Choose the Wi-Fi network. After that, you might hear a little ding on the camera. It looks like it worked. Getting a camera ready. Don't turn it off. Updating. Now we're going to name our camera. Let's just do front door. Why not? And looks like there is the 14-day free trial. Automatically enter it. And we can go to the home screen. It appears at the very top. All right. Chimes to let us know that it's done finishing up the setup. We can turn it on or off apparently. My microphone died when I was filming this, so I'll just have to dub it now, but basically this is what it looks like, the video feed live off of my camera. It looks bright, cheerful, happy, you know. That being said, let's run through all the settings. So we can, mute the sound, turn on the sound, We can record the video footage, and then we can also speak, turning on two-way audio, and you can take a photo, like a screenshot of what is going on. And then the more icon allows us to turn on and off night vision, as well as switching it off the auto version. And then there's album that allows us to check out photos and videos that we've taken. You can turn on the siren that will make the camera very loud. Clicking on the widget icon, you can change your name, you can turn on and off notifications. There are alarm sound detection, so for smoke alarm sounds as well as CO alarm sounds. There's also advanced settings. Rules are pretty cool because if the camera detects motion, you could turn on like your Roku smart home lights and pretend as if you're home. Now let's go ahead and set up the SE indoor camera. Let's go indoor camera, 2 legs.
Ready to connect.
Click on next, and then we have to pull the base on out, and it says ready to connect, so I heard that. Make sure you click on the setup button and then insert our Wi-Fi. Okay, now we have to scan.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
Setup completed, so we're going to call this garage. Finish naming and continue. This is a 14-day free trial as well. And there you go. Hello, everybody. Oh, got to update the software. So this is the SE video. Hello, everybody. It's a lot darker. The colors, I don't know, I look pretty dark in this room. But going back to the non-SE camera, looks pretty good. Well, a little overexposed, but still you can see all the detail there. Hello everybody, how you doing? Look good? Looks decent, right? That was for the old SE edition. Okay, let me show you like my living room, just to give you a more depth experience and view. And this is the SE camera right now as I kind of walk around my living room in both color and then the night vision. And then here is the new non-SE model in both color and night vision as well. This is pitch black on the non-SE model. This is pitch black on the SE model. Of course, because these are Roku cameras, we can check them out on our TV, on our Roku TV. So we've got all our cameras listed here on the side. We can see the video feed immediately. So this is the SE, and then this one is the non-SE, the brand new one. So click on it to full screen it, and you can hear them, I believe. Press star. So front door, we can mute or unmute, view the events. So a bunch of footage from the day. Well, I hope you liked this video on the Roku indoor camera wired edition. If you did, smack the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Roku videos coming soon. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. See ya.